Hi guys, we are back with another recipe. Today we'll make, rather bake a bread, honey oats bread. So we'll come down to the ingredients. Please note them correctly and carefully. So we have 1 cup of oats, then 1 cup of maida, then 1.5 cup of normal atta, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of dahi, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon here of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So these are the ingredients we'll need, but there's a lot of prep work we need to do. First of all, we'll take our oats, milk and dahi and mix it up well. Before that, what we should do is either you can use these oats like this, or you can just pulse it in the blender for 2-3 minutes so that they break down a little bit. It becomes easier. So we'll pulse the oats and then mix our milk and dahi in it. So guys, if you see here, the oats we pulsed it down, and we're going to pour this in a large bowl. Now in the same bowl, we'll add our milk and yogurt and also pulse it in the mixer for 2 or 3 times. So guys, we mix the milk and the yogurt and we'll pulse it in the mixer. So guys, if you see, we've mixed our milk and dahi and made it into a smooth paste. Basically, we did this so that our dahi gets whisked properly and it's a smooth paste. Now we're going to add this to our oats and whisk it properly. Once this is whisked, you need to keep this for an hour so that our oats get soaked. For 1 hour you need to soak them in this mix. So guys, if you see, our oats, milk and yogurt is mixed properly. It will be soaking for an hour. I need to tell why I'm baking this bread. If the lockdown is going on and our society is sealed, we are unable to get our essentials. Wanted bread is not coming for last 2 days. Then I remembered there's one of my aunts who had given me this recipe years ago, and very sorry to say that aunt is no more. May her soul rest in peace. It's a very nice classic recipe, and hope it turns on well because I'm making it for the first time. You also please try and let us know if you like it or not. So meet you after an hour. Hi guys, so 1 hour is over. If you see, our oats are all have soaked up the liquid. It has become now thicker. Now what we are going to do is add honey into this. The whole honey goes in. Mix it well. Once all the honey is mixed up, we'll add our maida. Just simply mix it. We will add our atta. Slowly add the atta. Only add half the atta. Don't add the full. Hi guys, so there's a small trick by Chef Ranveer Barar. Whenever we are baking anything, we need to mix our baking soda and powder into the oil and then put it into the batter. Okay, so we will mix our baking powder and soda in the oil and then mix it into the batter. This is done so that both of them don't start reacting right now and they react in the oven. Mix it well. So guys, if you see, our oil with baking powder, baking soda is all mixed up. We'll show you one more thing. We greased up baking dish, and if you could hear the sound in the background, the oven is also preheated. Now in the mixture we will add our oil and the other things, plus we'll add our balanced salt and give it a nice mix. Now we will add our balanced atta. So now all the ingredients have gone inside and they are mixing well. So guys, like if you see, our batter has become a little thicker, and if your batter also goes thick, you may add milk little by little and mix. So we're adding say a 1/4 cup more, but in breaks. It should be a little wet batter. So guys, this is how our batter should be. See, like this. Now we'll pour it into the dish. Now we'll add our batter. Guys, so the whole batter has gone inside. We'll level it up from the top. See, like this. Just using a spatula, just smooth it up from the top. You may also give it a tap like this. Just give it a tap, it will settle down, and then smoothen the top. Now what you can do is take some oats and sprinkle on the top to make it a good design. It will look very nice. Though this is not traditional, it was not in the recipe, I just added this thing because when we get bread from outside, it has oats on the top. So this is my addition to the recipe. So all the oats have gone in. Just as much as you like, nothing. So guys, the oven is also preheated at 180 degrees. We'll put our batter inside. The batter goes in and we'll start. Guys, so it is 180 degrees and 55 minutes. We'll set it. So we are starting it now. See after 55 minutes if the bread is ready or not. Hey guys, it's been 1 hour and if you see our bread is baked, it's looking quite nice. We'll take it out from the dish, let it cool on the rack for some time and then cut it and get back to you. We'll show you how the result is. Guys, so the bread is out from the dish. We'll cool it for some time. Once it is cool, we'll cut it up. So guys, here's our bread. We cut it, it's come out really well. The only thing is that it's a little small in size. I suppose we'll have, as per the dish in which I was baking, the recipe should have been double in size. We would have got bigger slices, but otherwise it's too nice, too soft. I'll take you here, just see how soft it is. Nice bread, and cut it thick, not very thin slices. It's very nice and soft. Do try, let us know how is it. And please like, share, comment, subscribe us on YouTube and hello. So this is oats honey atta bread for you. We'll be back with another recipe. Bye for now.